Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you this here, the Maelix Light Emitted Diode LED table lamp in warm white. But not only warm white is here possible because it is more. This outdoor LED portable lamp comes with RGB mode too. That means we have 8 colors. And we can use it outdoor or indoor and indoor. It's battery powered for all seasons. For the table and the lamp, and wireless with remote control. It's dimmable, it's waterproof, it's IP44, it's suited for home, for garden, for hotel, for tables, for the bedside, and. It's possible to get this where you like it. It's a portable handle. The shockproof PE housing resists the transport when camping or moving. Integrated leather carrying the handle allows a quick hanging on tan poles or on an outdoor table lamp for safe placement on hotel bedside tables, for example. It's an outdoor table lamp. It is a must-have for travelers who frequently change locations. And warm white, light, and RGB. A dimmable via the remote control. That means warm white for relaxation in the bedroom. But also 8 RGB colors for the restaurant or parties, for example. The LED light of this device here is good for the table lamp. It's infinitely adjustable, which reduces the eye fatigue during the night work and creates a romantic atmosphere for outdoor dinner parties. And it's rechargeable. The LED table lamp can be charged via USB-C port. This battery-powered table lamp provides up to 10 hours of lighting. It's making it ideal for nighttime, water activities, picnic, in the countryside, or as a backup light when the power fails at home. And the IP44 water brush is resistant. That means the outer table lamp is resistant against rain on the terrace, on the water vapor in the bathroom. The structured handle ensures a non-slip handle even in wet conditions and makes it a reliable choice for outdoor lights in harsh conditions too. The material is a plastic and silicone here, okay? Then the water resistance of the LED is IP44. We have a lot of colors, warm white, RGB LED color options. A light battery, rechargeable battery is built in. It's a non-replaceable device. That means we have to plug it into our USB source and then we can recharge this. That's a good fact here. Then we have a charging time around 5 hours. The working time is 8 up to 10 hours. And the charge voltage is 5 volt, 2 ampere or 1 ampere. So you can use it on nearly every USB source out there. We have functions, color change, warm white, what you need. Then we have, of course, rechargeable convention for the charging by the USB cable. That means if we are recharging that device at the same time, we can use it as a light source. And the waterproof level, of course, is for outdoor use. It can be portable and it can be hanging and it can be stand as you need it. We keep the USB, of course, out of reach of the children. We never attempt to open the light's bottom, and the operation switch on the bottom, as you can see, have a function too. First step is long press, turn on the light and get it onto the warm white. Second thing, 7th shortly presses get into the single color mode. Long press, turn off the device, of course. If we are going to make battery recharging, before the product should be used, we should recharge it over 6 up to 8 hours. Recharge the light will provide a USB cable which is compatible with any computer or your AC adapter from your smartphone, for example. 5 volt output charger. We connect USB cable to the computer, for example. We insert the USB cable to the micro jack of the lamp. We monitor the charging indicator lights will turn to green when it's full charged. Currently the charge cap after it's fully charged, job done, and we can use it. Hey, yeah. And we have a remote control On the remote control, we have the button for on to turn the light on, off to turn the light off. Color, freeze the light on red, green, blue, orange, white, pink, or purple. Then we have a play and pause button. We play the light from one color blending slowly into the next color. Pause on any color. Bright allows you to dim or bright amp the light. Then the candle creates a flickering yellow-orange light, a replication of a candle itself. And this is a nice feature, I think. And we have a speed button there. That means this allows us to speed up and slow down the color change of the play mode. Okay? Then we have the white light bulb button. We freeze the light on the color white. That's cool too, as you can see. That's the Maalox LED tail lamp in 1 white and 8 colors out there available here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's on.